Listen up. If you're stuck in that endless grind, twisting the same idea in your head, watching your startup limp along while everyone else seems to explode past you, this is for you. That frustration, that pit in your stomach, it's not just luck or timing failing you. It's because you're locked into a story you're telling yourself, the product, the market, the plan, and none of it's breaking through. You keep pushing, pivoting just a little here and there, but it's never enough. Why? Because most founders pivot with half measures, hoping to tweak their way to success while running scared of truly breaking the mold. You don't get explosive growth by playing safe or by convincing yourself that a bit more tweaking will save you. You have to attack the problem differently. Stop waiting for your customers to tell you what they want. Screw the feedback loops that keep you in the promised land of incremental improvement. Real pivoting, explosive pivoting, happens when you kill your assumptions so fast your brain hurts. You need to kill your favorite feature, kill your product roadmap, and kill your entire understanding of your market if that's what it takes. It's brutal, it's painful, and more founders collapse right here than anywhere else. But the ones who push through this pain spike, they do this one thing right. They relentlessly chase the brutal truth. Not what sounds good, not what investors want to hear, but what the market screams through chaos, data, and failures. What truly works, no matter how ugly it looks on paper. Here's the secret nobody tells you. The reason some founders explode after pivoting is because they don't just follow data. They use data to destroy everything and then build out what seems impossible. They mark the parts of their business that feel comfortable and toss them out. They chase ideas that feel terrifying. That moment when your gut says, this could kill the whole company. That's your pivot moment. You can't settle for better. Better is a trap. You want to pivot into something that shocks your whole ecosystem. That scares your competitors and wakes your investors up. And guess what? It only happens when you stop caring about safe bets and start obsessing over what's absolutely necessary. Here's what to do next. Write down the key parts of your current idea. Now blast each one apart. Ask yourself, what if this was useless? What if I had to rebuild from zero? You don't have to actually scrap your whole business, but you do need to understand what parts are holding you back. Then find a sector or a customer segment that's screaming with unmet need, no matter how small or awkward it seems. Drop your ego and dive all in there like your company's life depends on it, because it does. Most founders pivot late, timidly, and with fingers crossed. You need to pivot like it's your last shot at everything. Early, sharp, and completely fearless. And stop trying to do it alone. Every founder stuck in that rut is fighting ghosts in a vacuum. The difference is those who explode are insanely picky about the people they bring into this process. They surround themselves with honest voices, brutal critics, strangers who aren't afraid to wreck their plans, because comfort kills startups faster than anything else. Your pivot has to be messy, chaotic, and public inside your closest circle of people who demand nothing less than your company's total rebirth. Finally, stop seeing pivoting as a setback. It's not. It's the moment you clear the slate and claim control again. If your startup hasn't screamed at you to change everything, you're not paying attention. The world isn't waiting for you to adjust a few dials and hope for the best. It's pushing for the new, the bold, the disruptive, whether you like it or not. If you want that explosive outcome, you've got to be willing to burn the map and draw something new from the ashes. Anything less is just delaying the inevitable. So stop whining about market fit or traction. Go find that brutal edge inside your business. Tear it apart. Leap without a net into what terrifies you most right now. Build around that savage, raw discovery. That's how explosive futures start. Right here, right now. Don't pause, don't blink, do it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to discover more.